How to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to your Binance. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Binance first of all and simply search for USDT and click on deposit USDT. Once you are in, you're just gonna need to search for the network, which is going to be Toncoin, and once you have selected that, simply copy your deposit address, and then you're gonna need to open up your Tonkeeper. And what you need to do is to simply click on the send button, and then you're gonna need to enter the address just like that, and then go back to your Binance and copy your USDT memo address. Simply copy it, and then you're gonna need to paste it just like so. Allow paste and then click on the continue. Now you need to enter your amount, but before sending a large amount, always do a test transaction like $5 or $10. Then you can send maybe $100 or $200 worth of Ton coin or USDT. So hope this helped. This is how you can transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance.